In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Xero automatic invoicing. By the end, you'll have a repeating invoice that runs on a schedule, so you don't need to recreate the same bill every week, month, or quarter. First, open your Xero account and head to your organization's dashboard. Make sure you're in the correct company, especially if you manage multiple organizations, because repeating invoices are saved within the specific org you're viewing. From the main navigation, go to the sales area. This is where Xero keeps everything related to money coming in, quotes, invoices, and customer activity. Once you're in sales, open the invoices section. You'll see tabs and filters for different invoice statuses, but what we're after is the option to set something that repeats automatically. Look for the new repeating invoice option and click it. This creates the framework that tells Xero when to generate a new invoice and what it should include each time. Now, fill in the details carefully. Start with the schedule. Choose how often you want the invoice to repeat, such as every month, every 2 weeks, or every quarter, and set the starting date. Pick a due date rule that fits your terms, like due on receipt or a certain number of days after the invoice date. Next, select the contact who will receive the invoice. Make sure their email address is correct in their contact record if you plan to have Xero email invoices automatically. Add a reference or description so you and your customer know exactly what the invoice covers. Then build the line items. Enter the item or service name, a clear description, quantity, unit price, and the correct account and tax rate. If you use tracking categories for reporting, select them here to keep your analytics accurate. Choose the branding theme if you have different layouts or payment terms, and confirm the currency if you bill internationally. If available, decide whether you want Xero to email the invoice automatically when it's created on the schedule. You can also attach files, like a statement of work or summary, so the customer gets everything they need each time. Before saving, double-check amounts, tax calculations, and dates. A quick review now prevents adjustments later. When everything looks right, click Save. Your repeating invoice is now active. Xero will generate future invoices based on the schedule you set, and you'll be able to view, edit, or pause it from the repeating section within invoices anytime. That's it. Your automatic invoicing in Xero is ready to go.